What is going on, guys? This is a graphical user interface for a 2-button TV remote on Python programming. A GUI. Here is the code. It uses Tkinter. GUI. 2-button TV remote. Python programming. Alright. Let's run it. This is the command. Works. Power button, channel button. GUI, 2-button TV remote. Build upon it if you want. Build upon it. Improve it. Python projects you can do. Python projects you can do. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Enjoy the Python project, the coding project, programming project, Python project, Python project, Python project. See you guys next time.